the ICT Index Futures Vertical Lines indicator, which is available for various platforms on the Tradingfinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Traders can also read this page to learn how the indicator works and operates. From the navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging it onto the chart, we run the indicator. Once the indicator is loaded onto the chart, it starts displaying the trading sessions on the price chart. The ICT Index Futures Vertical Lines indicator is a special and practical tool that ICT-style traders can use to analyze trading sessions based on their trading strategy system, or enable and disable various settings from the input section in the indicator settings. The first input relates to displaying the three sessions: Asia, London, and New York. The Asia session is shown with a blue box, the London session with a gray box, and the New York session with a green box. The second input is related to the New York afternoon session. It starts after New York lunchtime and continues until the end of the New York session. By enabling this option, it will draw the New York afternoon session for us and display its box. The next input is related to midnight and displaying 12 a.m. New York time. By enabling this option, it draws vertical lines on the chart to indicate midnight New York time. The next input is related to the opening time of the CME, and by enabling this option, it displays the start of the CME with blue vertical lines. The next input concerns displaying the New York lunchtime. By enabling this section, it shows the start of the New York lunch period with vertical lines. We can also enable or disable the start and end times of the New York afternoon session. By enabling these two options, it will draw vertical lines to indicate the start and end of the New York afternoon session for us. The next input is related to the New York trading session's opening price. By enabling this option, it will draw and display the New York trading session's price levels on the chart for us. And in the last two options, by enabling these sections, we can activate or deactivate the highest and lowest price levels of the New York session. By drawing lines, it displays the high and low for us. Traders can use these settings and, based on their strategy system, activate or deactivate various pieces of information on the chart, allowing them to gain a deeper perspective on price movements during the New York session timeframes. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be glad if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the feedback section.